operation. And now across the world, probably more than that. But the majority. You sell the manure?
Hope I don't get scratched.
No, I haven't gotten to the point of terrifying. Where your dad at, bro? Coach. Hold that for me, bro.
Mateo, come over here. All right. Come over here.
She got it? Mm-hmm. That ain't gonna hurt. I like to overdo it. Boom, bam.
Gotta watch out for those big ones.
Mm-hmm.
I also hear dogs. I want to feed them too.
Thank you.
They're not eating it at all.
Some of them are picking at the leaves, but it's mostly the duck. They must not be hungry right now. It's really healthy turkey.
The chickens want to play. See, the rabbits are so cute.
These pigeons right here are called little pigeons. That's what they do. They just pigeons, you're more than welcome, okay? You know, I get a free meal for the animals maybe 2 days out the week. Pick that, those types of food. Somebody run me that bag over here, bro.
They're running.
Why?
I don't know.
He jumped over. I want to see the baby ones.
Okay, if they come by you.
I'm in there.
Oh my gosh, you're in there.
Go chase one.
I'm going to chase them too.
Okay.